Looking for the best laptop for 3D modeling? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the top laptops that deliver the power, performance, and precision 3D creators need. So stick around and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more daily tech insights. Number 1. MacBook Pro 16 M4 Pro 2024. The MacBook Pro 16 M4 Pro 2024 is a high-end mobile workstation designed for professional 3D artists and creative users who need serious performance on the go. Powered by Apple's M4 Pro chip, it effortlessly handles intensive tasks such as 3D modeling, rendering, animation, and simulations, often matching the performance of powerful desktop systems. The 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display delivers outstanding brightness, contrast, and color accuracy, making it ideal for detailed visual work. Its premium unibody design is both durable and portable, suitable for studio and on-location use. With versatile connectivity, including Thunderbolt 5 and an SDXC card slot, plus excellent all-day battery life even under heavy workloads, it stands out as a reliable professional tool. While the price is high, it is a worthwhile long-term investment for serious creatives. Number 2. Alienware 16 Area-51. The Alienware 16 Area-51 is a high-performance laptop that brings workstation-level power to a gaming-inspired design, making it well-suited for professional 3D modeling and rendering. Equipped with Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX processor and the top-tier NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU, it delivers outstanding results in CPU-heavy tasks and GPU-accelerated rendering, easily handling complex 3D scenes, large textures, and AI-driven workflows. The 16-inch 2560 by 1600 display with a 240 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth viewport navigation and real-time previews. Its anodized aluminum chassis is robust, though the aggressive RGB-heavy design and 3.4 kilograms weight make it more of a desktop replacement than a portable machine. Battery life is limited to around 3.5 hours, reinforcing the need for constant power. Despite the high price, its cutting-edge performance justifies the investment for demanding professionals. Number 3. Gigabyte ARS Master 16. Although primarily designed as a gaming laptop, the Gigabyte ARS Master 16 proves to be an excellent tool for professional 3D modeling, provided you can accept some game-inspired styling. Powered by NVIDIA's latest 50 series graphics card, it delivers strong graphical performance capable of handling complex scenes, rendering tasks, and AI-accelerated workflows with ease. The laptop is large and heavy, yet its high-resolution 1610 display, Thunderbolt 5 support, and wide range of ports make it well-suited for demanding creative work. While RGB lighting is prominent, it can be disabled, and the comfortable keyboard enhances long work sessions. Performance in benchmark tests is excellent, and battery life is surprisingly strong thanks to intelligent power management via Intel's NPU and Gigabyte's Gigabyte software, making it one of the most capable laptops currently available for 3D professionals. Number 4. Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI is a powerful AI-enabled laptop built to handle demanding 3D visualization and rendering workloads with ease. Featuring a high-end CPU and GPU combination, it delivers strong multi-core and GPU rendering performance, making it well-suited for complex 3D projects. The 16-inch OLED display with a 2560 by 1600 resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate is bright, sharp, and ideal for detailed creative work. Its solid aluminum build and wide range of well-placed ports add to its appeal, though the bulky 2.22 kilograms design limits portability. AI performance is respectable, but mid-range compared to specialist machines. Battery life is its biggest weakness, lasting around 2.5 hours, meaning it's best used plugged in as a stationary workstation rather than a truly mobile laptop. Number 5. ASUS ProArt PX13. The ASUS ProArt PX13 2024 proves that modern 2-in-1 laptops no longer need to compromise on performance, offering serious power for professional 3D work in a highly portable form. Powered by AMD's Ryzen AI 9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, it delivers desktop-class performance suitable for 3D modeling, rendering, 4K video editing, and AI-assisted workflows. The premium OLED display and flexible 2-in-1 design allows seamless use in laptop, tablet, or tent modes, while the ASUS dial and included stylus enhance creative control. With 32 GB of fast LPDDR5X memory, multitasking remains smooth even with complex scenes. Battery life under heavy workloads sits at just over 3.5 hours, which is reasonable for its power level, though careful management is needed for extended mobile use.